Hi! So in today's video, you're gonna see me create this look. So if you're interested, just continue watching. I'm using only drugstore products in this video. Even the brushes that I'm using are either drugstore or affordable. I wanted to do gray on the eyes and I wanted to do peachy on the face. Definitely peachy for tan to medium undertones. I feel like I got peachy on the face, but on my eyes, the gray is turning out to look more like green, or maybe because I'm wearing this green shirt. On my eyelid, you're gonna see I used Chanel glitter, but that's the only thing that is high-end, and the beauty sponge. Those are the only two things that were high-end in this video. Well, it wouldn't be me if I wouldn't be messing things up, right?
Perfect.
I also used a high-end lip liner, which was Bobbi Brown in the shade Nude, but you know, we'll just pretend like it didn't happen. I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. This peachy lipstick that Kathleen Lights made, this is way too light for me to apply this on its own to my lips, but I always love using it with a lip liner or to lighten the center part of my lips. I think it's a beautiful peachy tone to lighten the middle of your lips. I have used this blush right down here, this big peachy one, and I also mixed it in with this orangey one on the top to get a little bit more of an orangey peachy type of a look, which is what I went for today. I went for a peachy type of a look. I used this bronzer, and I used this highlighter. It's beautiful. I think the combination is really beautiful. And then I used this orange eyeshadow in my crease along with that peachy eyeshadow. The gray eyeliner is by NYX. It's called Onyx. It's dark gray. And the only thing that I'm wearing black is the black mascara. Maybelline Lash Sensation Mascara. That's what I'm wearing on my eyelash. I just added on this pearl bracelet along with the watch. The watch I always wear with this outfit because it's gray and it's teal. And I also paired it with my gold and silver wedding rings. I have worn this look during quarantine time a lot, especially when I'm just chilling out in the house with my husband. Most of the powders that I'm using are coming from this Physicians Formulas box. It is right under $30 on Amazon. You can purchase it on Amazon. It can be available in Walmart as well, so maybe give that a shot. I'm really sorry about my nails throughout this video. You probably saw me painting my nails with you yesterday, so yeah. I filmed this video before I filmed that one. I hope that it encourages you to try some new drugstore products, especially if you are medium to tan skin tone, and definitely give this guy a shot. Or if you want to buy this for a present for someone, this will make a girl very happy. If you have somebody that you want to buy something for under $30, this is highly recommended. by me. I bought this because Emily Noel on YouTube, she's the one that sold it to me. I loved the IT Cosmetics kit that came out. I'll put a picture of it up on the screen right now. But that was close to $60 after taxes and shipping, and this was $30, $32 after taxes and shipping. So I love this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my technique, and I hope that you learned something fun. You can achieve beautiful makeup with drugstore makeup or affordable makeup. You don't need really expensive high-end makeup, which is what I used to think in the past. Now I do not think that way at all anymore. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments section below this video. Until next time, I hope that you be your best self. Bye! I'm dedicating this video to Sarah Alper because she's the one that got me to do this video today. And she just called me.